theme of our project is Samrit Bharat, and our team consists of two people. My name is Devkinandan Tiwari.
And my name is Harsh.
The topic of our project is AI-based smart farming system. It is a sustainable AI integrated solution to revolutionize Indian agriculture. The problem: over-irrigation and under-irrigation causes significant water loss in India. Excessive fertilizer use leads to soil and water pollution. Lack of real-time data for soil temperature and humidity. Farmer depends on manual estimation rather than accurate analysis. Forest: limited access to modern technology, inconsistent rainfall, and unpredictable weather patterns. Lack of awareness about precision farming techniques. Absence of integrated monitoring and automated systems. These are the major drawbacks we are facing as now. Effects: 30 to 40% of irrigation are majorly water wasted in 15 to 20% reduction in crop yield due to poor soil management, decline in groundwater level and soil fertility, higher cost and reduced profitability for farmers. The main objective of our project: to create an intelligent sensor-based system that monitors real-time soil and environmental conditions, automated irrigation and fertilizer management, uses AI for data analysis and smart decision making, provides insights for user-friendly mobile application. Proposed solution: this is a complete AI-based smart farming ecosystem that integrates sensors for soil humidity, temperature, light, NPK and pH level, AI algorithms for data analysis, automated irrigation and fertilizer control. And there is mobile app to control all this with the real-time updates and implementation. The working of the system. First, the sensor detects soil moisture, nutrients in the weather data. Second, microcontroller collects and processes the sensor unit. Third, an AI engine that compares data with the crop specific requirements based on conditions rely active trade irrigation or fertilizer pumps. Data and alerts are displayed in the mobile application. This is a prototype for our project made. This is now interface. There is environmental reading for temperature. There is soil reading. Can be controlled with all the materials performed in the soil. There also for the crop and soil configurations. For every soil majorly grown in India, therefore you can run AI analysis on basis of what the manual parameters are there. Also there is automated relay action and status of the measure. There is also a report for the
So this is our partially working prototype. It is our AI Smart Farm dashboard. It will bring and fetch the details, main details such as environmental readings, which are temperature, air humidity, light, and also soil readings, soil moisture, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and soil pH. There are different kinds of crops which are mainly grown in India. Also, there are different kinds of soils which are found in India, and on basis of the reading, it will automatically read the details from the soil, and using relay actuators, it will pump the needed things such as water, fertilizers and manure, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Also, you can generate a report based on these data. So there is our data. For tomato, it is showing that temperature is within the optimal range, 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. So no water is needed, and the irrigation relay is on. And so this was our prototype. And now the key attributors which attracted us towards this problem, which is 52% of India's agriculture depends on agriculture, and according to Niti Aayog, 70 to 80% of fresh water is used in farming. Smart irrigation can not only save up to 40% water, but it can also increase the yield by 10 to 15%. And potential nationwide water saving is 20 billion meter cube annually. And the problems we can solve by this system is water wastage through intelligent irrigation, soil degradation by precision fertilizer use, low yield due to environmental mismanagement, and data availability through digital monitoring. Farmer dependency on guesswork replaced by AI analytics. As we are moving towards independent India, so we should not let our farmers be dependent on guesswork. And the things we can integrate in future is weather forecasting system, voice control operation in regional languages. So it's in drone-based crop surveillance, integration with government e-agriculture platforms. Thank you.